I am Ashish Mishra, and today I am starting with a brief introduction to computers and how it is changing our lives day by day, and what it is for the future and what is in the present. We are hearing a lot about computers, about Facebook, about internet. So today we will start with the basics. I know that all of you must be knowing what a computer is and you must have used it, but let us start with some basics and let us see what a computer is. And I'm sure you will learn something new as you keep watching my videos. So friends, let's start. Now I have a word. A computer. Now we will try to see a computer we will see three basic science questions about it, which is very important, which is the basics of all scientific discovery. So we have three questions as to what a computer is, and again a question, and again a question. There are three questions over here. You may all think that these three questions and what is this person saying? But question, why we use it? So let us see with the questions. We begin what a computer is. What? In Hindi, because many of our viewers are not so proficient in English, not so much good in communicating English, I will use some Hindi for the general masses. आप जानते हैं कि हिंदी में इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Let us go back a few years when we were children. Think that you are children. When you see a small child, when he is 2 years or 1.5, 2 years, 3 years, he sees a new thing and he runs to touch it and to use it, to touch it in his hand. And he has this question, what is this? So that curiosity has to be in our minds also, to understand what a thing is. And later we will see other questions. So question is, what and is a computer? Now, my friends, I know that all of you must have studied in schools, in many textbooks and the definitions that a computer is an electronic device which blah blah blah. I know there is a long blah blah definitions of what a computer is, but let us see what really it is. What it is. Of course, it's an electronic device. There is no doubt about it. It computes, basically it computes or calculates some kind of mathematical calculation or logical calculation, but also it computes an answer to a question, to a data or a signal which is fed in it, to some input which is fed in the computer. So it computes, it's an electronic device. It computes. Now, a calculator also computes some answer to a problem. It also does calculations. What is the difference? A computer and a calculator, they have a difference that it not only computes, it arranges and arranges and retrieves large amount of data. It can arrange, store and retrieve. Apart from calculations, it can arrange, store and retrieve large amounts of data and input at very fast speeds with a lot of accuracy. So the advantages which computers have, which have made them a part of our lives, are two things: they arrange, store and retrieve large amounts of data with a lot of speed and accuracy. So friends, we have seen what a computer is. दोस्तों, हमने देखा कंप्यूटर क्या है. इन बिंदुओं पर अगर हम विचार करें, विचार करके देखें और समझें कि कंप्यूटर क्या क्या करता है, तो हम कंप्यूटर को आसानी से समझ सकते हैं. Let us can stop over here today. We will take small steps in our learning and not load our learning with lot of information and lot of input. We will have small inputs and small outputs, which can be very easy for us to retrieve and store in our supercomputer, which is the brain. Okay friends, thank you.